pit's being shipped out today. That's the LTL 18-wheeler right there. We've got a Captivator here ready to roll. It's supposed to go ship out as early as this Friday. We've got the Texas Premier Hybrid. It's supposed to get picked up by the shipper today. A different shipper than this one. And let's see what else we got over here. There's some other stuff over there y'all can see. Space Shuttle, Bandit, concession trailer. Shipping out today, supposedly. Waiting to ship that one out at some point, waiting on the customer. Got our CNC plasma torch mate. Cutting brand new pipe. We're cutting several Gator pits out of this joint right here to start building new pits today. As of right now. Cutting some stuff over here. Meat slinger is completed, just waiting to get prepped and painted. Super smoker, almost done. Massive 1/2-inch thick firebox. This is a beautiful pit right here, guys. When this thing's said and done, this will be just beautiful. This guy's gonna be extremely happy. Got another container there. Got a Texas 1845 waiting for, that's a local pickup. And we're building another 1845 over here. And we've got another pellet Texas Premier there waiting to be put together. Got another one over here. And we are cutting some materials out over here. This is wooden caps or something. Cutting plate out though. And we got our brand new materials out here that we use to build all our cookers with, all our Gator pits with. All brand new stuff. Pipe, plate. Anyway, that's what's happening in the Gator pit, guys. This is what we do every day, 6-7 days a week, man, no kidding. Brand new pipe right there, 24-inch quarter wall, a 0.25 wall. And he is marking it right now. His links for fireboxes, main chambers, etc.